All right, when solving absolute value equations, the first thing you have to do is get the absolute value all by itself. I have 5 being multiplied to the absolute value and I have minus 7. I got to get rid of both of them. So let's subtract, let's add 7 to both sides like so. So now I have 5 times the absolute value of 9 minus 5n, close it, equals 45. Okay, since that 5 is being multiplied to my absolute value, let's get rid of it by dividing both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. And now we have the absolute value of 9 minus 5n equals 9. Now that the absolute value is all completely by itself, I can rewrite this as two separate equations. My two equations, the absolute value part is going to stay the same. You just get rid of the absolute values. So 9 minus 5n, 9 minus 5n. The right side on one of the equations is the original right side, and the right side on the other equation is going to be the opposite of the original right side. So minus 9 for that guy. Solve for n. So I'm going to subtract 9. I'm going to subtract 9, cross you out. Ooh, look at that, cross you out too. Negative 5n equals nothing. Divide both sides by a negative 5, divide both sides by a negative 5, and n equals a big fat 0. Now to do the other guy, we're going to go through the same process, but unfortunately the number is not going to be near as pretty. Subtract 9 from both sides, subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 5n equals negative 18. Divide both sides by a negative 5, divide both sides by a negative 5, and you're looking at n equals positive 3.6. So not only is n 0, but n is also going to equal 3.6. Now what you're supposed to do is take these answers, plug them in up here, do a little bit of math, make sure they work. They do, trust me, I promise. They will work. And yeah, that's our guy. So we're donezo funzo, baby.